Now that we have dry laid the paving, I can see that there are too many similar shades in this area, so I need to swap a couple of them with some of the spares just to make sure that the colours blend together across the whole of the patio. Lightly wetting the paving will give a clearer idea of how the colours are blending together, and you'll be able to see the darker tone slabs are not as well blended as they could be. Now, because we have some spares, I can simply swap a couple of the slabs over. If I had no spare slabs, I would simply lightly wet all the paving, stand back, take a look and choose which slabs to swap round.
Okay, so we've dry laid the patio and we're really pleased with how it looks. The colours are fantastic, everything looks really nice. However, there's one slab that we're not 100% happy with. Because we've allowed 5 to 10% of spares, we can swap this paving slab there with a slightly different colour. If we hadn't got the spares, it would be a simple method of taking that one out and putting it with one that's on the edge or in the corner. Another benefit of dry laying the paving, this particular slab has got a bit of a riven profile in this area. It's fine, but it may impact on the stability of your patio furniture. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to lift that one up and swap it as well.
The dry laying is all complete and I'm really happy with the colour blending. For more installation hints and tips, visit the website pavestone.co.uk.